Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. That was really fast. Let me slow down. This, bury me in this makeup. Murder me and then bury me in this makeup because my god, it is so pretty. This definitely should have been the look that I did first to really showcase this palette, but I really wanted to play around with like the gray tones. So I mean, I really love the last look that I created, but I feel like this look right here really just kind of showcases the Carnival 5 Interstellar palette. So I am only going to be doing my eyes because obviously we're going full-blown rainbow. I wanted to just really focus on the eyes today. But of course I'll leave my face products down below for you guys if you are curious about what I use to achieve this base makeup. So these are the vibes. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to stay tuned till the very end of the video where I do an up close of my makeup. That way you guys can see the true beauty of the blend. And if you're curious to see me get super crazy colorful, then all you gotta do is keep on watching. So I want to start this video out by doing a couple of swatches. So I did show you guys basically in my last video the swatches for like this area, not all of them, but a couple of them. So I wanted to do just a few of like the colorful swatches. So these are those shimmers. Super blinding. I believe this is one of like the glitter ones. And it doesn't feel as gritty as the other two glitter ones that I swatched previously, but super stunning. I really love how vibrant this red is, or like the kind of looks like a pinky red. So I of course obviously I already did my face makeup, and then I primed my lids. So I'm just gonna pat this base out so it's not creasy. And I did prime with my P. Louise base today. I'm gonna start with the shade Spacewalk, which is this purple right here. Oh, it's a nice big mirror in here too. So I'm going to take this on a Jessup 227 Luxe shader brush. And I think I'm going to pop this right here. And I think I'm going to do blue and then like pink. So just like that. I think for my inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Conspiracy, this like fuchsia purple kind of color here. I really want to use the shade Comet as well. I just love this tone. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking the shade Conspiracy, and I'm going to take it on this little tiny brush. And I'm thinking I'm going to go for like a very colorful halo eye. So I'm going to bring this down in here. So I'm just going to stamp it down. And look how pigmented that is. It's so pretty. And then just kind of blend the edges a bit. Alright, and then I'm going to take the shade Traveler, the blue. I really love these tones of blue as well. They're like very like bright sky blue. Ooh, pigmented. Okay, picked up too much. And I'm going to stamp this down in the outer corner. Kind of blend the edges. So these are kind of the vibes. We have the pink, purple, and blue. So I'm going to start by blending out the pink section first. So I'm going to take the shade Comet right here. This is a Jessup 223 Petite Eye Blender. So then with this kind of pinky color here, I'm just going to go right in little circle motions and blend that out a little bit. Pretty. I love these tones. I'm going to take the shade Fiction, which is this like milkshake pink. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. And I will finish the blend with that, and then I'll go through and make sure that, like, go through all the colors starting from the deepest to the lightest. Alright, so we have the blended side and the not blended side. I think I'll take the shade Atom and Light Year. So on the same brush with the shade Atom, because I want to make sure that we have a really nice blend going. So we'll just kind of start blending this out a little bit. And then on a separate brush, I'll take the shade Light Year. Just a little amount. And just blend that out. And just kind of keep going back and forth between those colors till I'm happy with the blend. Making sure that they're meeting with the pink as well. So then we have the purple blended out and the not blended out. So they have a nice seamless kind of thing going on here, and then we'll blend the blue out. So I was considering taking the shade Earthbound, but I actually really want to try out this blue. So I think what I'm going to do, so I already used this blue right here called Traveler. I think I'm going to take the shade Pluto and Nebula to blend out this section. So on the same brush that I took the shade Traveler, I'll take the shade Pluto. And I'll start blending this out. Then I'll take a fluffy brush with the shade Nebula. And I'll kind of bring this out to my temple a bit. Oh. Hair in my mouth. Okay, so I for sure want to take some of the shade Lunar, which is this bright pastel yellow. I'm going to take this in a little dough color brush. And I'm going to pop this right in the center. Alright. Then I'm going to take the pink shade Conspiracy. And I'm going to kind of blend these edges a bit. Like this. And then the same with the shade Traveler, which is the blue. Just a little bit. I'm going to take the shade Classified, which is this peach tone. This one right here. And I'm going to pop that right next to that yellow. And then I'm going to take the shade From Mars, which is the orange. And then I'm going to blend that on the pink side. Now I want to do some greens. I think I'm going to take the shade, I'll take the shade Meteor and Celestial. So we'll start with shade Meteor. And just a little dough color brush. And just very lightly start blending it into that blue. Dust it off, shade Celestial, which is like a lime, like a mid-tone limey green. So this is the side that's all blended out, and then of course we have this side where I need to add the green. I'm thinking I'm going to do green under my eye as well, just to really give that a shot, you know, time to shine. Let me finish this eye up, and then I want to take this Unearthly Cosmetic Immortality liner. This is the shade Gem. Let me spread some on my hand for you. It's kind of a terrible swatch, but kind of like a bluey green. Oops, I bent the bristle. Shoot. Okay. I think I'm going to take a little bit of the black on a little brush. So this is a shade Dark Side. And I'm just going to kind of stamp this against my lash line so my lashes have something to kind of blend into. So I'm going to smoke the green under my eye using the shade Meteor, Meteor, Celestial, and Earthbound. And then we come back and see the completed look after I throw on my lip and my lashes. Okay, so I did go ahead and I finished off everything, all the rest of my makeup. I threw on some contacts. These are the Secret Vision Boutique contacts in the style Dubai Gray. And then for my lip, I wanted to go kind of something that kind of was reminding me of like Interstellar. So I went in with the NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Moonwalk, which is like a beautiful kind of purpley gray tone. And then I went in with the Unearthly Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Diana, which is this beautiful gray. And then I topped it in the center with this LA Color iridescent holographic lip gloss, and this one is in the shade Diamond Light. Let me swatch this for you guys. It's kind of, it made my lips look kind of purple. This gloss is so pretty, and I literally got it for like $2. Oh, I don't think you could see the reflex in it, but that's the gloss that I'm wearing, and I think it is so pretty. Like, this combo is giving everything. And then my lashes were the they were the My Lash Lab lashes in the style Lei Amor. These are going to be the last time that I'm going to wear them, because when I went to go and like pull the glue off the band so that way I could have like a fresh band, I kind of broke it a little bit, so therefore I've used these babies to the last use, that's for sure. But I'm really happy with this look. This definitely should have been the first look that I did, but it was actually Thanksgiving in the last look that I did, so I really wanted to do something more wearable, something that I would be comfortable, like, I mean, I would definitely, like, I was just around my family, I definitely would have wore this. But I feel like for the holidays, I definitely just wanted to look more sexy. I don't know. This is pretty sexy if you ask me, but whatever. I don't know. But I've now used a bunch of the gray tones, and now I have used a bunch of the colorful tones. Of course, there's absolutely so many things that you could do with this palette, so I 100% of course will be picking this palette up again. My next look is also going to be with this palette as well. I wanted to dedicate this whole week to the Carnival 5 palette. After that, I will return to rotating through my eyeshadow palettes. In the next week, I'll just kind of be rotating through everything. I did use the Get Wet highlighter, because, you know, BPerfect. I had to use the Stacey highlighter as well. But yeah, all the rest of the face products I'll be sure to leave down below. And I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Did you pick up the Carnival 5 palette? And without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.